Good afternoon, class 3. So class 3, in your grammar book, we have started chapter number 7, and chapter number 7 is possession. Okay, and in possession we have learnt the use of apostrophe s. Okay, and we have learnt the use of apostrophe s in two sense. Today only we did one exercise related with singular and plural. Okay. So, on the basis of that only I had given you a homework on page number 44. Hope you all have done it. Now, on the same page, page number 44, there is an exercise B that you need to do in the notebook. ये जो exercise B है वो हमको नोटबुक में करना है. So I am just giving you the answers that you need to write down in your grammar notebooks. Okay? So take out your grammar books. Put today's date, class work, chapter 7, possession, and what you need to do? You need to write the sentence first. Then you will write its answer. Okay, so I will do only one for you, and rest I will write only answers. Okay, so number 1, first of all write the exercise name. This is from chapter number 7, possession. This exercise is from page number 44. Page number 44, exercise B, and the exercises, read the sentences carefully and correct the errors. Read these sentences carefully and correct the errors. It is obvious that we are learning how to use apostrophe s or only apostrophe. So the following exercise is based on that only. So here you will be given some sentences. You have to spot the error and then you have to correct it. So here at number 1, just see number 1. So what is number 1? Number 1 is The Jungle Book is Rudyard Kipling famous book. The Jungle Book is Rudyard Kipling famous book. So here what is the mistake? The mistake is here in this word. The Jungle Book है, Rudyard Kipling की famous book है. That means here apostrophe s is missing. So what you need to do? Write sentence number 1 from the book and you have to write the correct sentence. Correct sentence. Here I am using the short words. CORR.SENT dot. So the correct sentence will be the Jungle Book is Rudyard Kipling's famous book and a full stop. Okay, so here we have corrected the sentence as this. We have used apostrophe. We have used apostrophe. Okay, now I am writing down the correct sentences only. I'll write down the correct sentences only from number 2. Number 2. Correct sentence for number 2. Correct sentence number 2. Here our number 2 is, a comet tail is made of dust and gas. एक comet का जो tail होता है is made of dust and gas. That means comet का tail. So the correct answer, the correct sentence will be a comet's tail. C-O-M-E-T apostrophe S. Comet's tail is made of dust and gas. Class 3, I will tell you again. First you need to write the sentence, then you need to write the correct sentence. पहले बुक से सेंटेंस नोट डाउन करेंगे, तब करेक्ट सेंटेंस लिखेंगे. ओके, नाउ करेक्ट सेंटेंस नंबर 3. Correct sentence number 3. What is sentence number 3? The airport runway was closed. Airport का runway closed था. So here apostrophe will come at after airport. That means the airport's runway. The airport apostrophe S. The airport's runway was closed. Note it down so that I could write more. Number 1 is, The Jungle Book is Rudyard Kipling's famous book. Number 2, a comet's tail is made of dust and gas. Number 3, the airport's runway was closed. Now I am going to erase the board. This exercise you need to write in the notebook. Now correct sentence number 4. Correct sentence number 4. The man luggage was heavy. Man का luggage heavy था. So the correct sentence will be the man's, M-A-N, man, apostrophe S, man's luggage was heavy. Number 5. The teacher answered the children question. टीचर ने बच्चों के सवालों का जवाब दिया. बच्चों के सवाल. Correct sentence number 5. The sentence will be as, the teacher answered. The teacher answered. A-N-S-W-E-R-E-D. Answered the children. The children apostrophe S. Children's questions. कि प्लूरल वर्ड में अपोस्ट्रोफ एस नहीं लगता, सिर्फ अपोस्ट्रोफ लगता है। लेकिन कब लगता है? जब सेम वर्ड एस से प्लूरल बनता है, लाइक बुक, बुक्स। ओके, बट यहाँ क्या है? यहाँ पर क्या है? जो वन सिंगुलर वर्ड है वो चाइल्ड है और ये चिल्ड्रन है। दैट मीन्स बोथ वर्ड्स आर डिफरेंट। ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई हियर चिल्ड्रन अपोस्ट्रोफ एस। एंड क्योंकि ये प्लूरल है, क्वेश्चन भी प्लूरल में आएगा, क्वेश्चंस। द टीचर आंसर्ड द चिल्ड्रंस क्वेश्चन। नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर करेक्ट सेंटेंस नंबर 6. What is number 6? Number 6 is it was a day holiday for us. एक दिन की छुट्टी थी. So the correct sentence will be एक दिन की छुट्टी. This apostrophe s in Hindi is का, के, की. So एक दिन की छुट्टी. It was a day's holiday. एक दिन की छुट्टी. For us. It was a day's holiday for us. Number 7 is the planet's path around the sun are called orbits. You must be knowing that in our solar system all the planets revolve around the sun. If this is the sun, सारे planets क्या है? वो सन के चारों तरफ परिक्रमा करते हैं. ये दिस इज कॉल्ड, ये जो पाथ है दिस इज कॉल्ड ऑर्बिट. एक स्पेसिफिक पाथ में वो सन के चारों तरफ रिवॉल्व करते हैं, परिक्रमा करते हैं, एंड द पाथ दैट दे फॉलो इज नोन एज ऑर्बिट. Okay, so the same sentence here is the planets' paths around the sun are called orbits. So here the correct sentence is as, correct sentence number 7 is the planets' path. Here planets has been used in plural, so we will use only apostrophe for this. The planets, P-L-A-N-E-T-S apostrophe. The planets यानी कि planet, planets का path या planets के path. The planets paths around the sun, A-R-O-U-N-D, around the sun are called orbits. Are called orbits. Write down fast so that I could erase it and write number 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. The planets' paths around the sun are called orbit. Now the next one. Correct sentence number 8. Correct sentence number 8. At 8 it is the spider web traps insects. So here the meaning is spider का जो web है वो insects को trap करता है. Spider का web. So the correct sentence will be the spider's web. Spider's web traps the insects. The spider's web traps insect. It is only traps. Traps insect. Now sentence number 9. The dog tail is furry. Dog ka tail. That means dog's tail. The dog's tail is furry. Dog का tail furry है. कुत्ते की पूंछ क्या कहते हैं उसे? झबरेली. I think the word is okay. Furry. Now number 10 is sentence number 10. The zebra body has strips. The correct sentence is the zebras apostrophe s. Zebra apostrophe s. The zebra's body has strips. S-T-R-I-P-E-S. Strips. Number 11. Sentence number 11. This is Sara jacket. यह सारा की जैकेट है. सारा की जैकेट. That means Sarah's jacket. This is Sarah's jacket. Full stop. This is Sarah's jacket. Now the next one is number 12. This is the last sentence, and after this the class will be over. Number 12. Those birds' feathers are yellow. जो birds के feather है वो yellow है. Birds के feathers. Birds. Here birds has been used in plural sense. Okay. So birds apostrophe. Only apostrophe will be used. Those birds apostrophe. Birds feathers are yellow. Full stop. And here we have completed chapter number 7, possession. Okay. So class 3, note it down fast. There were 12 sentences. One more time I am saying you need to write the sentence from the book, and then you need to rewrite it after correction with the help of these sentences. पहले बुक से सेंटेंस लिखना है, उसके बाद करेक्ट सेंटेंस उसके नीचे लिखना है. Okay class 3. So